Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is binary search. So last lecture we discussed about the linear search, right? So linear search problem was that the complexity was order of n, which is high. Okay, in binary search, what is binary search? So there is a prerequisite for binary search, that is the array need to be sorted. Okay, if array is not sorted, you cannot apply binary search. Now let's assume I am having an array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so this array is sorted. So here we can apply binary search. Can we apply linear search here? Yes, we can. So for linear search, no need to be array is sorted or not sorted, doesn't matter. But for binary search, it is mandatory to be array to be sorted. Okay, now see how the binary search works. So what is the lowest index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So low equal to 0. Okay, now and high equal to 5. Correct. So we need to find the middle element. So how we can find the middle element? Middle equal to low plus high divided by 2. Okay. So it is kind of 5 plus 0 is 2.5. 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. Correct. So we can take the integer part. So we can take the middle value is 2. So this is my middle 30. Okay, so let us assume we are searching a value 50. Okay, so what we'll check? So array of mid, if it is equal to 50 or not. Is it 50? If it is 50, then great. Just return the mid. Just return the mid. Means we already found the value. Okay, but it is not 50. So what we need to do now? We need to check the value you are searching and array of mid. What is the relation between these two? So if array of mid value is less than 50, array of mid is what? 30. 30 is less than 50. So if we are searching some value which is greater than array of mid, means the value should be present to which side? Left side or right side? Which side? See, left side it cannot present, right? Because array is already sorted. Means I am searching a value 50 which is greater than 30, then I am sure doesn't matter if there are 50 elements left of 30, the 50 cannot be present in the left. So which side it can present? It can present only the right side of the array. Fine. So logically we will remove all the element. Logically, remember, I am not removing the element from array. Logically we will remove all the element from left hand side including mid element, because mid element we already compare, right? We need not to check it again. So what we will do, we will make the high equal to, high will be 5 only, so high we need not to change here. So which value we need to change? Low equal to mid plus 1, means now this is become my new low and already high is whatever earlier was. Okay, so then what we'll do, again we'll recalculate high plus low divided by 2. So 5 plus 3 divided by 2, so it is 4. Now again we need to choose array of mid is equal to 50. See, now my index is 4 and this is also 4. So array of mid which is already 50. So now we found. So see how many comparison we did. We just did 2 comparison. Now think about this. If it is a linear search, how many comparison you need to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comparison. Okay, that is how binary search reduce time. Now what we need to do, if let us assume we are searching for 20, okay, instead of 50 we are searching for 20. So what we need to do, so this condition also not satisfied, this is also not satisfied, means so this condition satisfy, array of mid is greater than, so we are searching for 20, right? 20. So array of mid at the beginning was 30, right? So 30 is greater than 20. So what we need to do? So that time high should be reduced. So high will be mid minus 1. I will be mid minus 1. If I do high is equal to mid minus 1, then what we can do? Again, we need to find out the middle. So that mid will be high plus low divided by 2. So if it is high plus divided by 2, low divided by 2, so what is the value of I now? High is, earlier it was 2, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 0. So like this, we can again check for the rest of the element. Got my point? So now if we write this pseudo code, how it will be? So we can do the binary search in two ways. One is recursive way and second one is iterative way. Okay. So recursive way, how it will be? Let us assume you are having a binary search function. So you are passing array and you need to pass low, you need to pass high and the x. X is the searching part, which element I am searching. Okay. So first we need a condition. If always your high should be greater or equal to L. So this is the main condition. Okay. Till high is greater or equal to L, we need to continue to check. Then what we will do? We will first calculate mid equal to low plus high divided by 2. Now, if array of mid equal to x, then just return mid. So we are just returning which index we found the value. Okay. And if array of mid is greater than x means x value is smaller. So right hand side or left hand side, which one will go? It should go to left hand side. So again, we'll call binary search. We'll pass same array, we'll pass same left, but high will be mid minus 1 and this same x. Okay. And if it is also not, then we can just return. Okay. And at the last also you can write a else and write a return binary search. Now array, now it is when this else will come, when the array of mid is less than x, right? Less than means value is greater. If the value what we are searching is greater, which side we need to search? Right hand side. So which value will change? Low value. So low value will be mid plus 1, correct? And high value will be high and x, correct? Now if after checking entire element, if we don't if you don't get the element, means the element not present, then what I'll do? You just do return minus 1, correct? So return minus 1. Fine. So this is the approach we are using, kind of dividing and divide and conquer. So we are dividing and checking. Okay. The complexity of binary search is order of log n. Okay, which is better than order of n. That's why it will take less time. Better means it will take less time. That's why binary search is better than linear search. But remember, it has a problem that array need to be sorted. If array is not sorted, this is not going to work. Clear? Thank you.